Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stopped by because you were curious what came in the summer Walmart beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm excited to announce that once again I have subscribed to the Walmart beauty box. I did this last year for a little bit and then, I don't know, I just had too many subscriptions, so I canceled. But I've been keeping an eye on it, and it's been getting really, really good. I've canceled so many boxes, and I have an unboxing channel. So, at the price point this box is, which is only $6.98 each quarter, I thought, why not? I'm just going to round that up and refer to this as a $7 box. That is the amount you pay. Well, there's tax, but that's it. Now, with the Walmart beauty box, they do have different iterations. I am iteration 14, which is way higher than I thought. I thought maybe they had one or two iterations, but it looks like they have more than just two. The box comes with a card which will have prices of the full-size items, and it looks like they added a little piece of tissue. All right, let's get to unboxing. The first item is not for me, but it does look really cute. If I had long hair, this would be my jam. So you get two scrunchies, and they're quite large, and they have what looks to be, it's not corduroy, but it looks like it's corduroy. This is from a brand called HAIRITAGE by MCKNIGHT, and they are corduroy scrunchies. All right, I guess it is corduroy. It just feels a little, not what I remember my corduroy pants that I wore in the 3rd grade feeling like. It's a lot softer. Now, I'm not seeing these scrunchies on my card, and I noticed the last, I don't want to give spoilers, the last entry there is a question mark, and it says, "Don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd enjoy." So, did I get an extra product? I don't know. All right, what else did I get in my summer box? I don't know what this is, but it's heavy. Well, for the size, it has some weight to it. It must be something that could possibly leak, because this is really nice. It was sealed up in that plastic bag. All right, so this here is a Repair Bond Rescuplex from MARC Anthony. It's a 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce sample size. This is for all hair types. It says it reinforces hair from the inside out. It hydrates, defrizzes, and softens. All right, normally I'd be like, ugh, a hair product, but my hair has been super dry lately, so I will be excited to give this product a try. Interesting. I can't find this product in the pamphlet either. I wonder if it's because I signed up late, meaning later in the season. I saw people do unboxings like 3 weeks ago, so I don't know. Let's see if the products continue not to be in the pamphlet. All right, next item, we have a sample of something from NEUTROGENA. This is the Hydrating Cleansing Gel. It has hyaluronic acid. This is half a fluid ounce or 14 ml and is also not on my card. All right, so there is a pattern there. Interesting. All right, next item, we have something from CETAPHIL. I do remember getting CETAPHIL products in this box in the past. This here is Deep Hydration, a Healthy Glow Daily Cream. All right, I love to glow. All right, it is not safety sealed, so let's take a squirt and see if the back of my hand will glow. Does it have a scent? Oh, yeah, it smells like CETAPHIL. I don't know if you've ever smelled their products before. It just has a certain, I don't know, like drugstore skincare scent. It's not bad. It's kind of old lady floral, but not obnoxiously old lady floral, if that makes any sense. All right, might as well look to see if this is on the card. I don't have high hopes. No, I am not seeing anything from CETAPHIL. All right, the last item, we have a perfume sample. This is from Juicy Couture. It's the Rock the Rainbow, and it says it's Sunny Honey. This product also is not on the card. I'm bummed because so many people had the Yummy Gloss, and I was like, yes, please, I'll take the Yummy Gloss. This box actually costs $1 less than the Yummy Gloss, but of course I didn't get the Yummy Gloss. I also feel like maybe because I signed up so late, they just threw some stuff in here. I can't be mad. It was only $7. And hopefully the fall box, now that I'm signed up, I'll get it in a timely manner and actually receive products on their card. But let me know, do you get the subscription? And if so, did you get any of the same products I got? I'm going to hold this up. Oh, my lights are going to... There we go. So you guys can take a look to see what products you possibly could have gotten if you'd signed up in time. I see some nice kind of full-size products here, meaning the Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer. Even if it's a sample size, it's a decent amount. And then you have the Yummy Gloss. That's going to be full size. You could have gotten something from Number 7, some Mighty Patches. Overall, I think for $7, you can't go wrong. Oh, I almost forgot to test out this perfume. Let's spray some on the card here and see what she smells like. Interesting. All right, I can't do that. I gotta go on skin because all I pick up is the scent of some kind of perfume and cardboard. All right, I'm so bad at scents. It smells like grassy, earthy, summer, possibly some citrus. I'm gonna stop speculating and let's see if this tiny card lists what the notes are. Okay, it says that it has the notes of Italian lemon, jasmine blossom, and the relaxing feel of golden amber. I'm wondering if the golden amber is the what I consider kind of earthy tones. It's lovely. I'm sure a lot of you would dig this scent. I tend to like a little sweeter, more floral. So it's not my number one scent, but I'm not put off by it by any means. All right, let me recap everything I got. I got a 2-pack of some Corduroy hair scrunchies, a leave-in hair treatment from Marc Anthony, a daily hydration cream from CETAPHIL, a hydrating cleansing gel from NEUTROGENA, and a perfume sample from Juicy Couture. What are your thoughts? I'm fairly certain, I could be wrong, but I'm gonna guess this set of scrunchies is at least $5, possibly $6 or $7. Perfume, even a small sample. This will be a lot of money because perfumes are very expensive. And then each one of these is maybe $1 or $2. Again, the whole box was $7. I'm going to do some math and try to figure out, based off of the full-size item versus the mLs I received, what the MSRP value is. Now, you don't get this box because you're looking to score a big MSRP value. It's mainly to try new products. But I have seen some of these boxes where you do get like a full-size item. Where's my Yummy Gloss? But I guess variation 14 is not the winning variation. All right, now I want to hear from you and let me know, do you get this box? Did you get any of the same items I got? Did you get the Yummy Gloss? If so, I'm jealous. Or if you don't get this box, have you been considering getting it? I would say see what my fall box is like before you sign up, because this one wasn't the best box, but everyone else I saw unbox this got a really good box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, if you would click the thumbs up, that really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.